Good morning, students. Sairam. Now, in chapter 3, matrices, we are going to learn about transpose of a matrix in exercise 3.3. Now, according to definition of transpose of a matrix, if A is equal to Aij be an M cross N matrix, then the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of A is called transpose of A. It means to find the transpose of a matrix, we have to interchanging rows and columns. Transpose of a matrix is denoted by A dash or A to the power T. Clear? Now, if A is equal to Aij of order M cross N, then A dash will be Aj of order N cross M. Clear? So simply you have to remember that to find the transpose of a matrix, you have to interchanging rows and columns. For example, matrix A is given. Matrix A is row wise 2, 3, 5, -1, 7, 3. Then A dash will be equal to find A dash, you have to change rows into columns or columns into rows. See here its row is 2, 3, 5. Then in A dash you have to write this row as a column 2, 3, 5. Similarly, its second row is -1, 7, 3. So you have to convert second row in second column of A dash. Then you can find A dash transpose of a matrix. Means to find the transpose of a matrix, you have to interchanging rows and columns. Clear? Now, properties of transpose of the matrices. Properties. We now state the following properties of transpose of a matrices without proof. These may be verified by taking suitable examples. For any matrices A and B of suitable orders, we have first property is A dash dash is equal to A, means transpose of A is equal to matrix itself. Second property is K A dash is equal to K into A dash, where K is any scalar. Clear? Third property is A plus B dash is equal to A dash plus B dash, and fourth property is AB dash is equal to B dash into A dash. So these are properties of transpose. Now, example, if matrix A and B are given, matrix A is row wise 2, -3, -7, 5, and matrix B is 1, 0, 2, -4 row wise. Clear? Then we have to verify A plus B transpose is equal to A to transpose of A plus transpose of B, and second part transpose of AB is equal to transpose of B into transpose of A. We have to verify. So firstly find A plus B. A plus B means you have to add both the matrices, then A plus B will be 3 minus 5 and 1. Clear? Now find its transpose. To find the transpose of A plus B, you have to write rows as column. And second row as second column. Then you can find A plus B to the power t. Now A to the power t plus B to the power t means transpose of A plus transpose of B will be equal to this one. Clear? Now we observe that from equation 1 and 2, A plus B to the power t is equal to A to the power t plus B to the power t. Clear? Now second part we have to show that transpose of AB is equal to transpose of B into transpose of A. So firstly find AB. AB will be row wise minus 4, 12, 3, minus 20. Then find AB to the power t means transpose of AB. So you have to write rows as columns or columns as rows. Clear? Then you have transpose of AB. Now find separately transpose of A and transpose of B. Clear? Then find product of transpose of B and transpose of A. Clear? Now observing equation 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2, we find that equation 1 is equal to equation 2. It means transpose of AB is equal to transpose of B into transpose of A. Clear? Now symmetric matrix. According to definition of symmetric matrix, A square matrix A is equal to Aij is said to be symmetric if A dash is equal to A. Clear? For example, matrix A is given. A is equal to 2, 3, 3, 7 row wise. Then find A dash. A dash will be 2, 3, 3, 7, which will be equal to A. So here A dash is equal to A, so given matrix is a symmetric matrix. Similarly, in case of skew symmetric matrix, a matrix will be skew symmetric matrix if A dash is equal to minus A, means transpose of matrix is equal to minus of matrix. So A square matrix will be skew symmetric matrix if A dash is equal to minus A. And you have to note that all the diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are 0. Clear? For example, matrix B is given. Matrix B 0 minus 5 minus 2 5 0 9 2 minus 9 0 is a skew symmetric matrix, because if we find transpose of matrix B, then this will be row wise 0 5 2 minus 5 0 minus 9 minus 2 9 0, means you have to write down rows of matrix B as the column of matrix B dash, then you can find B dash. Now taking out common minus from the matrix B dash, then we can find this one, and we observe that B dash is equal to minus B. It means matrix B is skew symmetric matrix. Now any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Clear? Means any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Let A be a square matrix, then we can write A is equal to half of A plus A dash plus half of A minus A dash. Clear? For example, suppose matrix A is given. Matrix A is 4 minus 2 minus 1 row wise 3 5 7 1 minus 2 1. Clear? Now you have to express the given matrix A as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So to express the given matrix as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, firstly find A to the power T, means transpose of matrix A. You can find it easily. Then find A plus A to the power T. You can find it easily. Then find A minus A to the power T. Also you can find it easily. Then let P is equal to half of A plus A to the power T. Then find matrix P. Clear? Then find a matrix Q, which will be equal to half of A minus A to the power T, which will be equal to this one. Clear? Now after finding P and Q, find P to the power T, which will be equal to P. So we can say that transpose of matrix P equal to matrix P. Therefore P is a symmetric matrix, and transpose of matrix Q is equal to minus Q. Clear? So we can say that Q is a skew symmetric matrix. On adding P and Q, then P plus Q will be equal to P plus Q. On adding will be equal to this one, which will be equal to A. So P plus Q is equal to A. It means we can express any square matrix in the form of sum of symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. you have to remember that A plus A dash will be a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash will be a skew symmetric matrix, and also half of A plus A dash will be symmetric and half of A minus A dash will be skew symmetric matrix. See it again. Half of A plus A dash is always symmetric matrix and half of A minus A dash is always skew symmetric matrix. You have to remember. Clear? And you have to let half of A plus A dash is equal to P and half of A minus A dash is equal to Q. Clear? And then P dash will be equal to P and Q dash will be equal to minus Q. So we can say that P is a symmetric matrix and Q is skew symmetric matrix. Clear? And we can express the given square matrix as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, where P is symmetric matrix and Q is skew symmetric matrix. Clear? Now you have to solve exercise 3.3. Clear? And all related questions related to this topic. You have to try extra questions also. Clear? Related to this topic. Clear? Okay students, Sai Ram.